Hey there, food lovers. Today I'm going to show you how to master the art of the sea bass Traybake. Trust me, it's easier than you think, and the result is simply divine. Let's dive right in. First, let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, I was in this charming coastal town in Cornwall. I stumbled upon a tiny family-run restaurant. They served the best sea bass I've ever had. The secret? A simple Traybake. Now I'm sharing that secret with you. All right, grab your ingredients. You'll need 2 fresh sea bass fillets, about 500 grams of baby potatoes, a handful of cherry tomatoes, 1 lemon, some fresh rosemary and olive oil. Seasonings, just salt and pepper. Simplicity is key here. First up, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. While it's heating, let's prep our potatoes. Slice them in half and toss them into a bowl. Drizzle with olive oil, add a pinch of salt, pepper and some chopped rosemary. Give it a good mix. Next, spread the potatoes on a baking tray in a single layer. Pop them in the oven for about 20 minutes. This gives them a head start to become golden and crispy. We don't want soggy spuds, right? While the potatoes are roasting, let's get our sea bass ready. Lay the fillets on a plate and season both sides with salt and pepper. Now, slice your lemon into thin rounds. We're going to place these on top of the sea bass for a lovely citrusy zing. Once the potatoes have had their 20 minutes, take the tray out. Nestle the sea bass fillets among the potatoes. Scatter the cherry tomatoes around. They'll burst and create a beautiful juicy sauce. Back into the oven for another 15 minutes. This is where the magic happens. The sea bass cooks to perfection. All those flavors meld together. Your kitchen will smell amazing, I promise. And there you have it, a beautiful golden sea bass and potato Traybake. The fish is tender, the potatoes are crispy, and the tomatoes sweet and juicy. Serve it straight from the tray, family style. Garnish with a few fresh rosemary sprigs for that final touch. Trust me, this dish will impress anyone. So, next time you're in the mood for something special but easy, remember this Traybake. It's a little taste of that Cornish coastline right in your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.